we're taking Midtown High School, and that will be our location, and we've got sound effects provided by our helpful volunteers. So we will see the scene at Midtown High in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let me open up my locker. Oh, there's a big hole in here at the doors. Not a balloon. I just got to get ready for my big assignment. Let me unzip my backpack. My backpack be doing.
Mr. Thompson, what have I told you about music in the hallways here at Midtown High?
Oh, hey, I'm sorry, Principal.
Bam.
You said no music in the high school, but I unfortunately... Sorry, that's my pager. I got a lot going on. You see, Principal, you can't contain me with this. Oh, sorry, I got like a ticker of Woodstock news. Yeah.
But you know there are no beepers allowed, no social media.
That's right, I got another beeper that just makes beeping sounds. Okay, there's another one that just makes eagle calls.
Alright, you have way too many noises and groups going on here.
Oh, I also have a troll in my pocket. This is probably what you're really upset about. Come on, troll. Meet the principal.
Oh!
Alright, there are no trolls allowed on Midtown High.
But look at this cute little troll and their little hats with a fan on it.
And listen to my jingle.
Jing.
Well, I'm sorry, but I can't allow that.
Principal, no.
Oh, what the?
What? Wait, is that a
Principal.
It's a bazooka.
Principal, just practice some trigger discipline. Principal, listen. I'm gonna put this down. Principal, I love this troll, and that's why I'm giving it this. This walnut.
Oh, walnut.
See how the troll
No, you're not supposed to feed trolls after 12 noon. It's horribly changing. The troll turned into a bird.
Please troll me.
Wait a minute. Midtown High needs a new mascot.
Oh dear.
Our current mascot of
Nice.
Knights.
Go Knights!
Our current mascot of the Knights is a little outdated and medieval. Maybe some sort of bird.
What do you think about that, Trollmantha? Would you want to be a mascot?
More than anything in the world, but only if you two can hoist me up and put me on top of the school.
All right, let me put it on the car jack.
It's the golden egg.
Oh my God! You hear the sound of it shining?
Listen. Oh, it sounds like there's an actual baby. Oh, it's cracking. It's cracking.
How many are in there?
At least. Oh, wait up.
They scattered.
Oh, here's the final one. And I present this to you, Midtown High School, your new official mascot.
All right, but we should get out of here. We're no longer wanted. Come on, Trolley.